is what it looks like on the inside. So it's so pretty. Look at all that. Each one is a little bit different. This one has some glitter in it, which I think is super pretty. I like that tennis ball green. How fun would that be? There's a base coat, a top coat, an activator coat, and then a brush saver as well. So all these, now my nails right now, there's nothing on them. They are ready to be painted. We got our purples, pinks, a little bit to a red. We're gonna go for like an orangey pink on the final nail, the pinky. We're gonna use that base coat, put it on nice and thick, and immediately dip it right into the powder so that it covers the whole nail. Take it out. Take any brush you have that's like a makeup brush, or if you have a nail dipping brush, even better. Brush around it and dip it again. And then one more time. 3 times the charm. And then that's what it looks like. So it's really light. Then we're gonna add that activator. So that's this one, number 2 activator. Put that on and activate. So that kind of turns it into like a matte almost. And then go ahead and let that sit for 2 minutes. We're gonna top coat this one over here. So this one's been dry now. 2 minutes, we throw the top coat on. There's our top coat on that one, makes it so nice and shiny. And we're ready to do the pinky on this one. So same thing, base coat. The top coat of our pinky here. So we're gonna see how pretty the salmon color looks. Ready? Okay, so there's that salmon. And we have our ombre pinks done on this one. We're gonna wait a couple seconds and get it done on the final finger over here, and then I'll show you the entire finished process. And I think we're ready to put the top coat on this one. Make it so shiny and glossy. Ready for the big reveal? Dipping nails, not too hard. The kit might seem intimidating. You guys, it's not. I just did it live for the very first time. It's amazing.